Welcome to this tutorial on writing a précis or summary from the University of Reading Study Advice team. This tutorial is designed for you to go through at your own pace, and you can pause it at any time. When you summarise a set of ideas from a text without analysing them, it is called a précis or summary. A précis should preserve the key aspects of a text in a short, fluent piece of writing. You will find précis especially useful when taking notes or researching for a literature survey or an article summary assignment. It can help you to turn this into this. To write a précis, try following these steps. Read through the text you're going to précis, making brief notes only to remind yourself of key points. If there's an abstract, read this first to get an overview. Then think about these questions. You might want to write a sentence in response to each to help you to get an overview of the key points. Here is a worked example of how you might write a précis of a short piece of text. Start by reading the text all the way through and think about the questions listed in the previous slide to get a general overview of what is being said. Now write 1 or 2 sentences for each paragraph. Add a brief introduction and a conclusion if it's appropriate. Don't forget you can pause this tutorial if you want to read this in more detail. Now you can read through these sentences and edit your work to make a fluent piece of writing. If you practice these steps, you will soon be used to producing useful summaries of your reading. So to summarise, here are the things you need to think about when writing a précis. A précis summarises the main points of a text without analysing them. You need to read through the whole text to get a general overview before you start writing. Make a note of the key points and then join them together to make a fluent narrative. If you practice these things, you are sure to achieve précis success.